Today I'm diving into the amazing world of autophagy and fasting and what it can do for your health. First up, what is autophagy? Autophagy is the body's process of cleaning out damaged cells and recycling their components to maintain healthy cell function. It helps with cellular repair, energy production, and detoxification, and is triggered by stressors like fasting, exercise, or nutrient scarcity. Imagine having an internal cleanup crew that removes waste, repairs broken parts, and gets rid of old, dysfunctional cells. That's autophagy at work. So how does autophagy benefit your health? For starters, detoxing. Autophagy helps immune cells detect and eliminate intracellular pathogens, such as viruses, bacteria, mold, yeast, and some parasites. It engulfs them and destroys them within the cell. It's also great for preventing disease. Autophagy gets rid of damaged proteins and organelles that could cause serious health issues like cancer, heart disease, or brain problems such as Alzheimer's. And guess what? It supports weight loss and provides energy. During fasting or exercise, autophagy helps break down fat for fuel, boosting your metabolism. Want to stay young? Autophagy helps slow down the aging process by cleaning out old damaged cells, keeping your body in top shape. Plus, it boosts your immune system. By cleaning up infections and harmful invaders, autophagy helps you stay healthy and fight off illnesses. Now, how can you trigger autophagy? There are a few ways. Intermittent fasting is a powerful way to kickstart autophagy. Exercise, especially intense physical activity, boosts this process, so get moving. Caloric restriction. Eating fewer calories without malnutrition can also promote autophagy. In short, autophagy is crucial for cleaning out the old and damaged cells in your body, refreshing your cells, and supporting overall health and longevity. So, if you want to stay young, healthy, and full of energy, make sure to incorporate fasting, exercise, and healthy eating into your routine. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome health tips.